Hello. So I remember being worried about the meaning of RSVP, usually used on invitation cards. And when I asked my mischievous friends, they said it meant rice and stew very plenty. Very funny. I bet you've heard the phrase before. However, the misinterpretation of that phrase has spread widely. RSVP is an abbreviation gained from French words, and so it can never mean rice and stew very plenty. It simply means respondez s'il vous plaît. The words are placed at the foot of a formal invitation when a reply is needed. It means please reply. Now, this is not the only French word the English language has adopted. There's so many, like fiance, malaise, communique, chef, bourgeois, and so many others. I hope you had a great time today. I'll see you in the next class. Do take care.